I know most of you may think that this is a possum, but this ain't no possum. This is an opossum, and they're different possums and opossums. Possums are native to Australia, and opossums are native to the Americas. I didn't know that either. But the possums have furry tails, and opossums have that rat-like, bear tail or scale thing we're all used to. Yeah. And possums can be different colors, where usually the opossums have that white face and that kind of shiny, whitish, silvery look to them and all that.
What we have to do is we have to move them. So basically, I just wanted to let you guys know real quick, you're going to need a pair of gloves, good gloves, okay? Because sometimes they'll bring them little claws through there, and sometimes their mouths are a little small enough they can actually get in there and bite you. Then you're also going to need a little bit of a cover, okay? So you want to get all your stuff together and have your stuff ready so you're ready to go. All right, and now I got the camera turned around. I'm going to suit up with my with some glovage. Put the little cover over top of the deal. And I think we got a little bit of a video of them, but we'll come over here real quick and kind of show you. And then I'll follow you up in there. And then we'll cover him over. I'm just going to come in real slow. Get a little view of her. She's already been checking me out, so I'm coming real slow on her. Turn the lights out, just so she ain't gonna deal with that. This is where you want your gloves, and naturally, she's definitely a lot of flies going there. She's already took a big old poo. See? Got her ears up, she's checking you out. She's not too stressed, don't want to stress. All right, got my handle up. Let's put her in the truck, nice and gentle. We take her back and relocate her at the on the back side of the farm. She'll probably make her way back down here eventually, but we'll see. All right. I'm not flipping out. Still pretty stable. Keep your cover on it for a while. Sometimes these things are a little bit easy, hard to open. You want to pull it open? You want to take it out and set it, or you want me to do?
Yeah, I'll probably let you do it. You got the bigger gloves on. I just got the gloves on.
She's gonna whack.
Just in case she tries to turn around.
All right. Yeah, she's standing now. She's looking right at me. All right. So what we do is, I like to walk them over into the grass or into the corn. So since we're taking a vid, we'll go over here in the grass on this deer trail. And yes, guys, see that? That's a deer trail. For you guys that don't know, see how it's going back in the woods there? That's where we're headed. Put it right here. Still kind of shaded out. And when you get these animals and these, you got to get them as quick as you can. Yeah, she got some big old snippers on her. Want to get a look at that? Oh, there it is. See? That's just a little booger. All right, but I'm on the wrong side of the tracks here. I know, this will get her out. Once she gets like that, they'll get ready to go. All right, I'm gonna pull back. I'm gonna open this up, keeping my hands out the way. Grab hold of that, and there it goes. Now, see if she took a dump in my trap. No, we're good.
She just ate the banana.
She ate the banana. What you get, they always get the, you always gotta let them get that. Don't, I mean, you know, if they get in your trap, right? The least they could get is the 1/3 of the banana you got left in the peel, so they can get some type of a, you know, some type of a positive out of it. But again, man, don't stress them out. That's the key, guys.
Another difference in them, really quick though, is the possums are more herbivores, where the opossums are more like omnivorous. So the omnivores, they kind of take advantage of the various meat proteins instead of just plant proteins. So they'll eat, you know, insects and all that, like, you know, grubs and all that stuff out of your gardens and everything else. But the big thing is these things eat ticks, and they really like ticks. So, you know, it's just a little known fact, but there you go. The only known tick trap that I know of. There's probably a few birds that are eating them too, thank God. You know, so if there's a good for a tick and you guys all pull them off, what's a good for a tick? Yeah, to feed it to the possums. See ya.